Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this delicious lunch, which is a combo of amla rice and potatoes. It's very good to eat and it's healthy as well. I know you're hungry. This video is for you.
Today we are going to make amla rice. For this, what are the ingredients we need? This is the one amla. It's called Indian gooseberry, but I am not going to use the whole amla. I want to use the grated one. So I took 4-5 amlas. You can take as much as you want. Then some raw peanuts. While tempering, we are going to use this peanuts. Then 1 spoon of urdu dal and chana dal. Then some turmeric, some curry leaves, 4 green chili fine chopped, then some ginger, some cumin seeds, and 1 big bowl of cooked rice. I took basmati rice. You can use any variety of rice. Then some gingerly oil or sesame oil. For this rice, sesame oil will be very good. It will give very tasty. Now I took the pan. I added 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. I am going to start tempering items now. First I am going to add some mustard seeds. We need to wait until it's clear. Now our mustard seeds are splattered, so I am going to add raw peanuts. You keep it in low flame and we need to fry for a few minutes. Now our peanuts getting to roast. Meanwhile I am going to add some urdu dal, chana dal. We'll start to fry. Then we need to add green chilies, ginger and some curry leaves, then cumin seeds and fry. Now our tempering is ready. I am going to add some turmeric powder, then grated amla. We need to saute for few minutes. Now our amla mixture is ready. You can see when you touch it and you can feel it's soft. It means it's ready. It's the correct time to add your cooking rice. And mix gently without breaking the rice. Add required amount of salt. Mix thoroughly until the mixture will mix with rice.
Now our amla rice is ready. You can turn off the flame and you can add more or less salt if you want. Now we're garnishing with some coriander leaves and we're mixing. Now we're going to make potato fry. For this, we have 3 or 4 chopped potatoes and we've made them into small cubes. And then you need some chili powder, some coriander powder, and some turmeric powder. For these 3 spices, you can adjust them for your taste. And you need some jeera powder and a few curry leaves, and a few cloves of crushed garlic. And you need the required amount of salt and some cooking oil. Those are the ingredients for this potato fry. Now the first step is to take a pan and heat it on medium flame and add the required amount of oil and then you add some mustard seeds and you wait for it to splatter. After mustard seeds are splattered, we added our turmeric powder and then we added our potatoes and we mixed for 5 minutes until it's half cooked. Then we'll add our spices. Now our potatoes are half cooked. At this point we add our spices. Our salt, the jeera powder, coriander powder, chili powder, and asafoetida powder. And then we add the garlic and curry. And then you saute for a few minutes until the potato is nice and crispy. Now our potatoes are ready. You can see they're brown and they're very crispy. At this point, you turn off the stove and you are ready. Eat your delicious potato fry and your amla rice. Now we're going to talk about the health benefits of amla. Amla, or known as Indian gooseberry, it's loaded with nutrients and is rich in vitamin C. It improves digestion and it releases acidity. It boosts your hair growth. It improves your eyesight. It improves your immunity so you can be strong in these COVID times. It improves your memory power and your brain. It fights the cold, and in COVID, you should add amla more to your diet. It's good for the skin. It reduces hair fall, and it prevents you from aging. Those are the health benefits of amla, and I highly recommend that you add more amla to your plate and for your diet. And there, our combo lunch, amla rice and potato, is ready. You can eat with anything. You can eat amla rice with papad or anything. Thank you guys for watching. And if you like it, please like and share with other people so they can enjoy the same taste that you've had. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time we make a video. Thank you guys. Stay safe. Peace.